Okay, start.
Good afternoon, my name is Lim Zusian and I'm from Tutorial Group 3. Today I'll be presenting on the assignment proposal for communication and organization. Assignment 2 outline will consist of title, introduction, literature review, statement of research question, and methodology. The proposed title of research is Organizational Conflict Management in an Event and Talent Management Company. For the introduction, I'll have two elements, which is the background and objective and purposes. Conflicts are inevitable situational problems that are in any functioning organization. To optimize the effectiveness of the productivity, it is vital to recognize the conflict styles and stages in order to determine the alternative approach and appropriate communication means to manage an organizational conflict. For objectives and purposes, it is to understand the effective communication channel and style used in managing a conflict in an organization. The literature review, for the first one, it talks about the ways consumers manage conflict is essential for service providers looking to effectively recover instances of service failure. It also talks about the modified grounded theory approach, where developing a model of consumer conflict management. The emergent model discussed proposes that consumers' conflict style is related to whether conflicts framed in task or personal terms. The second one examines the prevailing model of systematic organizational conflict management from an organizational communicative perspective and suggests directions for improvement. It also compares the dual function of communication and the arena model to illustrate weakness and points of development in traditional conflict management system, CMS, thinking. For the third journal, it addresses the problems associated with conflict dialogue and presents a conceptualization of respect to help understand how emotion can be addressed to help validate others through individualized interaction. It also recognizes that conflict involves emotion and argues that individuals engaged in intractable conflicts can resolve conflict more effectively by managing the conflict through dialogue and respectful communication. The fourth journal says that in interpersonal relationships characterized by aggression, the negotiation of conflict is especially significant. Non-verbal forms of conflict management revealing three common tactics: crying, non-verbal avoidance, and aggression. The implications for using these conflict strategies in interpersonal relationships characterized by aggression are also analyzed. The statement of research questions that I've come up with is, what is the channel of communication to address the conflict within an organization? And what is the communication style used to manage conflict within the organization? The methodology used to further understand the research topic, it will be qualitative method, and it will be through face-to-face interviews with direct employees of the company. Description of the sample, I'll be focusing on this company called Rocket Science Sdn Bhd. It is an events company, and I'll be using 5 staff from the company to be interviewed, where 2 of them are founders and directors of the company, and 3 employees working in the company. The content of the conversations and findings will be examined and analyzed based on proposed communication models. For assignment 3, my format will be magazine article, where the weekly journal summary will be compiled in brief articles with inclusion of relevant media story to accentuate the subject, while the final essay will be incorporated as the main feature article of the magazine. The final essay, I'll be using topic 1, and I'll be discussing classical approach, communication, decision making will also be discussed. This essay will compare and contrast the influence, importance, and hierarchy of power. Thank you.